Placing orders with the Article Galaxy order form is simple. From the menu, click Order Form, where you'll be taken to the Article Galaxy order form. If you have a DOI or a PubMed ID, enter that information into the field, and the order form will automatically fill. Keep in mind, Article Galaxy does not require you to have a DOI or a PubMed ID in order to submit an order. Simply fill this form out with as much citation information as you have. Click the Details and Pricing button, review the citation information, and click Request PDF. In most cases, Article Galaxy will deliver the PDF to you in your browser within a few seconds. Click the Start button, and the PDF will be available for you to download in your browser.